In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use GameShare on Nintendo Switch 2. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. GameShare lets one Nintendo Switch 2 share a supported game with other consoles, so the other players don't need to own the game themselves. A Nintendo Switch 2 is required to host, while Nintendo Switch 2 or original Nintendo Switch consoles can join locally. But to host locally, you'll want to launch a GameShare compatible game from the home menu and open that game's multiplayer or GameShare option. The exact host steps vary by game, so follow the GameShare prompts inside the game and wait for the other players to connect. But on the joining console, what you want to do is from the home menu, go down to where it says GameShare, press Join GameShare, select a local user, and select the user joining the session. Wait for nearby GameShare sessions to appear and select the host's session and choose Join GameShare. The host can then start the session once everyone has connected. You can also use GameShare online between Nintendo Switch 2 consoles through a game chat. You'll want to join the same game chat room, have the host start GameShare from a supported game, then on the receiving console press the C button, see invites to GameShare, and then press Join GameShare. GameShare supports up to 4 participating consoles, although the exact number of players and available modes depend on the game itself. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.